Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves, and I'm here today with your Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about hooks, not fishing hooks, media hooks. How do you hook the media in? How do you get them to read that email that you're sending them, that great pitch that you have? And that's so important because some of these journalists could be getting 1,000 emails in a day, seriously. So you've got to stand out. That subject line has got to make them think, oh my gosh, what is in there? I've got to hear more. So a hook is something like, you know, in Fairfax County, we could lose 100 homes in this neighborhood by Saturday. What do you mean? Let's say they were in a sinkhole danger. I know where I live, it's weird. We just have a lot of sinkholes, and I guess with the temperature, but something like that is intriguing and compelling and will get them to open the email. And I'll give you my favorite trick for learning hooks: magazine covers. When you're in the grocery store line, why do you think all the magazines are there? They're hooking you in to make that impulse purchase of $5. Those people are paid very well to get you to buy that magazine based on that 5-word hook that they have on the front. Obviously can't read the whole article while you're there in line, so you're going to buy the magazine. So think about that. Google, whatever magazine you might be interested in getting in, or one that's relevant to your industry topic, Google it and look at the kinds of hooks they have on the front and see how you can reword it or rework it to something that's relevant to you in your pitch and use that in your subject line. We talk a lot more about hooks in the PR Challenge. If you haven't joined it yet, yourprchallenge.com. It's just so fun and so exciting, and it will help you get so much more visibility this year that I hope you will join. And I will be back next Friday with more Get Famous Friday PR tips, and I'll see you then.